How to change your profile picture in TradingView application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Updating your profile picture is a great way to personalize your TradingView account and make it easier for others to recognize you. First of all, launch open the TradingView app on your device and make sure that you're signed in. Once you're inside the watchlist tab, go ahead and tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner, and on the next page, tap on your name. Now click the pencil icon at the top right and tap on Edit Photo. You can go ahead and take a photo from your device camera by tapping Take a Photo. This will take you to your camera section where you need to go ahead and allow the access and click a selfie of yourself. Now, if you want to upload an existing photo from your gallery, tap on Edit Photo and tap on Choose from Library. Now choose the photo you want to add as your profile image, adjust it within the frame, you can zoom in or zoom out, and keep your profile picture in place and click Choose. Now click on Save at the top right corner to save your changes, and you will be able to change your profile avatar or your picture in the TradingView app. Now your account has a new fresh look, making it more personal and recognizable. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.